Hi, my name is Josh Lockheed, Training Evangelist here at QuoteWerks. Today I'll be reviewing how to set up and use the different email options you have available to you in QuoteWerks Web. With QuoteWerks Web, you have the ability to send emails using your preferred email client. QuoteWerks Web supports the use of SMTP or OAuth 2.0 through Google, Microsoft 365, and Microsoft Live. With the email settings configured, you can send emails to contacts as one-off messages, deliver PDF quotes, send automatic reminders, and even send interactive web pages containing your quote information with Quote Valet. Additionally, email templates can be customized to provide the same look and feel of other communications you may send to your customers. As you can see, I'm logged into QuoteWerks Web and I have a document open. The document has a sold to contact as well as a number of products that we wish to sell the customer. To begin configuring QuoteWerks Web to send emails using your preferred email client, click on Setup, then My Preferences. Click on the Email tab and here you'll find an area where you can configure how you would like emails to be sent from QuoteWerks. In the Sending tab, you will want to first input your return email address. This is the email that will be used as the reply to email for emails sent from QuoteWerks. Below that, you have an option to toggle auto spell check, and then below are the settings for sending emails. If you've already configured your email settings in QuoteWerks Desktop, you can click this button here to pull those settings over. If you have not, you'll want to first select your email preference from the Send Email Using drop-down menu. Here you can select Use SMTP or OAuth 2.0 through Google, Microsoft 365, and Microsoft Live. I'm going to select Google OAuth 2.0 since this is the email client that I'm using. I'm going to put in my email address in the Authentication Email Address field. I'll then click Connect, and this will begin the process of connecting my Google email to QuoteWerks. I am asked to select an account, and I'm going to select my QuoteWerks email account. Clicking OK will save my settings, and to make sure things have been set up correctly, I will click Test Email Settings. This will send a test email to and from the account we configured. All you have to do is check your email, and you should see the test there. If you don't, come back to this page to ensure everything has been set up correctly. Under Email Setup, we also have the Defaults tab. Here you can set the default CC and BCCs, and the emails entered will be included on any emails sent from this user's profile in QuoteWerks. I'm going to keep those empty for now, but we're all set here, so I'll click Save to exit the My Preferences window. As mentioned, you have the ability to send one-off emails through QuoteWerks. You can do this by locating the contact record, selecting it, and hitting the email button. To do this, click on Contacts, then look up Contact. I will search for Computer Hut, and once the results are displayed, I'm going to select one of the company's contacts and hit the Edit button. This will open the Edit Company window. Here, if you select a contact and hit the Email button, the Send Email window will open. This is a quick and easy way to look up a contact and send them a one-off message. Here you can leverage existing email templates, add additional contacts, and customize the subject and body of your message. When you click Send, this email will be sent to the contact you specify from the email address we configured earlier in the video. I'm going to close out of the Send Email window and return back to the workspace. Now we're going to discuss Quote Delivery, so I'm going to click on the Deliver window. Here we can choose our cover page, layout, literature, or anything else that we'd like to send to the customer. Once we have added everything that we need to, we can hit Preview/Print to preview the document before sending it to the customer. Everything looks good. This is a standard quote layout and a PDF version. If we go back to QuoteWerks Web in the Deliver window, we can now hit Email to email this PDF to the customer. As you can see, we have an email addressed to our sold to contact with the subject being the document name. Our PDF is attached to the email, and we can use our Edit window below to customize our message. The Send Email window has a number of standard editing tools that you can use to compose your message, including different fonts and font colors, embedding links, pictures, and a whole lot more. Composing an email is relatively simple using this editor, but you also have the option to pre-create email templates and pull them in to use as the body of your email. As an example, I'm going to select the sample email template. As you can see, the editor allows all of the customization you expect as well as the ability to embed macros. You'll notice at the end of our email we have the first line from our quote and the quote expiration being pulled from the document. This is done using a macro. Creating and customizing email templates is done in QuoteWerks Desktop, and we don't delve into that process in this video. There is another video you can search for called QuoteWerks Email Options that walks you through how to create templates. Just as with our one-off email, when we're ready, all we have to do is hit Send, and the email will be on its way. There's one other way to send emails in QuoteWerks Web that I would like to take a moment to review, and that's Quote Valet. Quote Valet is QuoteWerks' online quote delivery and acceptance vehicle, and one of the key features is its ability to send interactive web-based quotes in addition to a PDF version. To access Quote Valet, we'll exit out of the Send Email window and navigate back to the Deliver window. This time, instead of hitting Email, we're going to click on Upload to Quote Valet. Here on the Upload to Quote Valet window, you'll notice a link to our PDF version of the quote and some different options we can set. The first option, Signing Options, gives us the ability to set up multiple signers at your customer or even countersigners from your organization. This is a great option for more complex proposals that have multiple layers of approval. The next option, Reminder Options, gives you the ability to configure follow-up emails to be sent to the customer, sales rep, or both, reminding them if the quote hasn't been viewed, is expiring, or has been accepted but not paid in a certain number of days. Once our options have been configured, we can now click Upload to upload this quote to the Quote Valet server. We can now preview our quote on the Quote Valet webpage by clicking on Preview Webpage in Quote Valet. You'll see that this page includes a link to our original PDF quote as well as the web-based representation of it. If we wanted, we can configure this quote to allow the customer to select or deselect options, change quantities, accept, and even pay a deposit through our integration with over 80 different payment gateways. Everything looks good on this Quote Valet quote, so we'll click back into QuoteWerks Web and click on Send Email. The same Send Email window opens as it did before, but now, instead of a PDF attachment, there's a short message and a link to the web page we just previewed. The great thing about delivering quotes this way is not only is email logged in QuoteWerks, but so are customer interactions with the quote, including changes, questions they submit, payments, and more. You can also create templates and use them here. And another quick note, while this email is auto-populated with the Quote Valet webpage link, if you had uploaded a quote to Quote Valet, this button here will let you select a quote and insert the Quote Valet link directly into any email. This is useful if you're working on a quote and just want to resend the Quote Valet link without having to go through the Deliver window. As you've seen with QuoteWerks Web, you have the ability to send emails using your preferred email client. With your email settings configured, you can send emails to contacts as one-off messages, deliver PDF quotes, send automatic reminders, and even send interactive web pages containing the quote information with Quote Valet. Additionally, you've seen how email templates can provide consistency across communications with your customers. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to check out the QuoteWerks help files or contact our technical support team at 407-248-1481.